facts. Fun facts for curious learners.
Sleeping on the back has multiple great benefits. It helps protect the spine and reduces pain and injuries. In addition, gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, and face wrinkles are likely to be decreased as well. However, there are a few negative effects from sleeping on the back. First of all, this position might cause the carotids, the blood vessels that circulate the brain, neck, and face, to clot. Also, people who usually snore or have sleep apnea may not be able to sleep deeply in this position. Thus, people who have respiratory complications ought to avoid sleeping on their backs, while people without the complications should support their knees with pillows or blankets to prevent the back pain.